Imagine this. 330 million Americans, kids, adults, grandparents, all in one giant flat place, and they all jump at the exact same second. Did the Earth even notice? Dry, sarcastic chuckle. Short answer? Nope. Longer answer? Still nope. Hey, let's do the math. America's total population is about 330 million. Sounds huge, right? That's like stacking Australia 13 times. But Earth weighs 6 sextillion kilograms. That's a 6, 21 zeros. Compared to that, all of us together are basically a fruit fly on a bowling ball. Okay, numbers time. Average person, about 70 kilograms. Multiply that by 330 million. You get 23 billion kilograms. If everyone pushes off the ground at once, Earth really does move. By about 0.01 meters per second. That's less than the width of an atom. Congratulations, you've just invented the world's tiniest earthquake. Now when everyone lands, the energy comes back. Is it dangerous? Well, no. Magnitude 4 earthquake releases as much energy as 100,000 tons of TNT. Our national jump, about the same as one firecracker. So basically, scare a dog, and that's it. But if everyone jumped on a giant floating platform, the whole thing would bob, like a Dorito tossed in a pool. Some lifeguard somewhere would be very, very confused, concluding amused tone. So no, Earth won't wobble. Canada won't even notice. The only guaranteed result? 330 million people, twisting ankles, probably in Florida. But hey, what if all 8 billion humans jumped at once? Earth would still shrug, but the sound of 16 billion sneakers squeaking in unison might finally attract aliens.